Socialism can seem like a complicated idea, but it's really about fairness and equality. Imagine a world where everyone has a chance to succeed, regardless of their background or circumstances. That's the heart of socialism, a system built on cooperation and mutual support. It's about making sure everyone has what they need, like access to quality healthcare, education that empowers them, and a good job that provides dignity and security. In a socialist system, people work together for the common good, ensuring that everyone's needs are met. It's not about a few people having all the wealth and power. Instead, resources are shared more equally, so everyone benefits. This helps create a society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and live fulfilling lives. Think about it like this. If one person is hungry, we all have a responsibility to help because we are all connected. Socialism takes that idea and applies it to our economic system, promoting policies that benefit everyone. It's about creating a safety net for everyone, so no one gets left behind, ensuring a more just and compassionate society. Socialism is built on a foundation of key values that guide its principles and actions. One of the most important values is equality, which is central to the socialist ideology. Socialists believe everyone deserves equal opportunities and a fair chance at a good life regardless of their background or circumstances. This means ensuring equal access to essential services like healthcare, education, and housing so that no one is left behind. Another core value is social ownership, which emphasizes collective control over resources. This means that important resources and industries are owned and controlled by the public, not just a few wealthy individuals, ensuring fair distribution. Think of things like public transportation, energy, or even healthcare being managed for the benefit of all. When these are owned by the people, it benefits everyone, not just a select few, fostering a sense of shared responsibility. Solidarity is another essential value in socialism, promoting unity and mutual support. It's about recognizing that we are all part of a community and have a responsibility to support each other, especially in times of need. Socialists believe in working together to create a fairer and more just society for all, where everyone's contributions are valued and respected. Socialism and capitalism are two different ways of organizing an economy. Capitalism emphasizes individual profit and competition. It's about individuals and companies competing in the market to make the most money. Socialism, on the other hand, prioritizes cooperation and social well-being. It's about working together to meet everyone's needs and create a more equitable society. While capitalism focuses on individual gain, socialism emphasizes the collective good. Imagine a pie. In a capitalist system, the biggest slices of the pie often go to those who are already wealthy and powerful. In a socialist system, the pie is divided more fairly, ensuring everyone gets a slice. Section 4. Socialism in Action: Historical and Contemporary Examples. Socialist ideas have been put into practice in various ways throughout history, influencing political and economic systems across the globe. One prominent example is the welfare state model found in many Scandinavian countries, which is often cited as a successful implementation of socialist principles. These countries have strong social safety nets, providing universal healthcare, education, and other essential services to their citizens, ensuring a high quality of life and reducing economic inequality. Another significant example is the cooperative movement, where businesses are owned and run by the workers themselves, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. This model promotes worker democracy and a more equitable distribution of profits, allowing workers to have a direct say in the operations and success of their enterprises. Cooperatives can be found in various sectors, from agriculture to finance, demonstrating the versatility and adaptability of this model in different industries. While no country perfectly embodies pure socialism, these examples demonstrate how socialist principles can be applied to create a fairer and more just society, offering valuable lessons for future implementations. Section 5. Addressing misconceptions about socialism. Socialism often faces misconceptions and negative stereotypes. Some people confuse it with authoritarian regimes or believe it stifles individual freedom. However, democratic socialism, a prominent form of socialism, emphasizes democratic principles and individual liberties. It's important to remember that socialism is not about taking away individual freedoms. It's about creating a system where everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed and live a fulfilling life. This requires addressing systemic inequalities and ensuring everyone has access to essential resources.